Welcome to my blooming TV. Today we are going to be doing a crochet DIY video. Like I promised you the last time we made the crochet ear saver, I told you I was going to show you another pattern. So if you want to see how I made this, I have a video uploaded already, so you can do well to go check it out. Today I'm going to show you how I made this pattern using the extended double crochet, and as you can see, the ends are different. So if you're not familiar with what ear savers are, they just help when you put on your mask to relieve tension from your ear. So say you wear your mask and you have to wear it for a long time. The ear savers go at the back here like so, and that way, I hope you can see that. So you can put it anywhere, and they are so soft, so nice, and that way there's absolutely no tension on your ear. So today I'm going to show you how I make this awesome crochet ear savers. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be right back and we'll get straight to the tutorial. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you this ear saver. Is a very nice one using the extended double crochet. So I'm going to show you, this is going to be a beginner friendly video, how to do the extended double crochet, and we're going to finish off the end by slip stitching. So we are going to be using this yarn by Yarn Inspirations from Bernard Premium Collection. And what do you do when you're buying your yarn? It shows you the size. This is a size 4 medium, and that way it also shows you what crochet hook to use. For this one, it recommends 5mm. You can go higher, you can go lower, but just know when you go lower, your projects become more tight. So you can, if you're a beginner, you can either use 5 or use 5.5 or 6. And this is in the color Evergreen. Okay, so we are going to be using a crochet hook size 5mm, and I have this awesome set from Amazon. This has every hook you need for any project, from the smallest to the biggest. I hope you can see it. And it comes with accessories. So you have tapestry needles, stitch markers, and counters, and all that. You are also going to need a cutter or a scissors. You are going to need tapestry needles to weave in your end, and this one I'm going to use to fasten the buttons on. And for my buttons, I got some from Amazon as well. I will also leave a link. You can go bigger, go smaller, it's up to you. There are different ones available. And then I'm going to be fastening off the button with a thread. I will also leave you a link of some thread collections as well on Amazon. So to start this project, we are going to start with a slip knot. So you just take 2 fingers, wrap your yarn around it once like so, and then take your crochet hook. You take that tail there where you have wrapped, leave it on the hook, and pull down the remaining 2 tails. And now you have your slip knot. So like I said, if you find your project too tight, you can go up one size of hook to 5.5. So now that we have this tail here, you don't have to make your tail so long, so you can make it shorter actually. Okay, so now to begin this project, we are going to start with the foundation. So we are going to chain 17. So you can chain any number you want depending on the length. And I'm going to wrap my extra yarn on this finger. So whatever works for you is okay. The one on the hook never counts. This is just to start your project. So the first chain we are going to do, you yarn over with your hook facing the top. And when you're pulling through, turn your hook to the side. So you pull through like so. This is your first chain. So this is chain 1. So now we're going to make another one. We are making 17 chains. 2. Okay. So each time just yarn over, pull through. 3, 4, 5, 16, 17. Now we have 17 chains, and this is what they look like. So if you look at the top here, you see that they look like V's, and if you look at the back, you see that they have some loops at the back. We are doing an extended double crochet, so actually I'm going to walk into the 4th loop because we need height for whatever the height of the project is. So what that means is that if you are doing a double crochet, then you can just count 1, 2 and walk into the 3rd one. That 2 chain will give you the height needed for a double. Because I'm doing a triple, I'm going to use, or an extended double crochet, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3 as the height, and I will start to walk into the 4th one. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, okay, and yarn over again. So you yarn over twice, go through that first loop there at the back, then yarn over your main yarn, pull through. You have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you are going to yarn over, pull through only the first 2, then you have 3. Yarn over again, pull through the next 2, you have 2. Yarn over and pull through the final 2, and now you have 1. Each time you see 1, you are ready to start. So like I said, because we gave 1, 2, 3 chains, you can see that it gives the height you need for an extended double crochet. So if you need only a double crochet, you can go just 2, skip 2 and start on the 3rd. This one, we skipped this 3 and started on the 4th one. So into every back loop like so, we are going to walk an extended double crochet. So don't walk into your V in front here. We want this V to be the edge that is going to be really clean. So I'll show you another one again. You yarn over 1, yarn over 2, so you're yarning over twice, and then you go into, don't skip any of the humps, you go in there, okay, then you pull through, yarn over and pull through, you have 4, yarn over, pull through your first 2, you have 3, yarn over, pull through your next 2, you have 2, and pull through the final 2 and you have 1. Gradually coming to the end of the project here, so keep checking on your project. You can see that, so that is similar to this one we have here. Okay, so right now I have just 2 left, so I'm going to make into the second to last here. Go in there, pull through the first 2, the next 2, and the final 2. So you are doing 3 times. That is why it's triple or extended. Now when you get into the last, when you get to the last chain, walk into 2 loops there. Don't walk into just the back one. So I will yarn over twice, and instead of walking into just the back one, I'm going to walk into 2 actually. You can see that. So there's 1, 2. You can see it. So then you're going to pull through just like the other time. Pull through the first 2, the next 2, and the last 2. And then you want to tug on this end a little bit, okay, just to tie it off. So this is what it's looking like right now. So we have finished the extended double crochet. So what we are going to do now, we are going to finish it off with a slip stitch. That helps to give your project a really neat and cute finishing. Remember, we skipped 3 chains. I'm going to put the exact 3 chains at the end so that I can come to this first line here. So you chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and then you come and walk into your first V at the top here. So make sure you're walking into this first one, okay? So I'm going to go into that first one there. So make sure it's 2. And then what I'm going to do is what we call a slip stitch, meaning you pull through and then pull through that your chain again. So this will end this project for us. So now we are going to put a border for later. So let's just weave it in and see. So you can leave that tail out a little bit, and then for this one here I will just use a tapestry needle to weave it in. Okay, so now that we have succeeded in hiding the tail, we are going to finish this project by working a slip stitch into every stitch that we have. So to do that, you work into all these V's that you can see here. So don't let this one here fool you. So I'll show you. To make a slip stitch, you go into your next stitch there, you can see the V, yarn over, pull through and pull through again. Okay, we'll do that again. So you see the V's on top here, go in with your hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the chain on your hook. That will give you a slip stitch. Okay, so each time just go in, pull through. Okay, go into the next one, don't skip any one, yarn over, pull through and pull again. Okay, so make sure your tension is even so that your work can be smooth. We started from here. I'm just going to do that and we are back. Okay, so now to finish off, I'm still going to do one more because of this glop I see there. Okay, and then we're going to tie this off. You simply just yarn over, pull through that last chain and then cut your yarn and then pull through all the way like so. And then you're going to pull this to be very tight. Now it's time to stretch your work. See if you are happy with it. Make sure the height is looking similar. So I'm going to switch to these other buttons because I know the holes of this one is a little bit bigger. I don't want to go looking for a smaller needle in my stash. So I'm going to use these two buttons. I also got this off of Amazon and I'll be leaving a link in my description box. And so we are all done. Our mask, crochet mask ear saver is ready. As you can see, you can do any yarn color of your choice, and you can do any length of your choice. So this is what we have just done. So give it a try, let me know how it goes, and these are very comfortable to wear with your mask. So until next time when I bring you another exciting project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.